Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tongkat Ali tea using an easy method. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to prepare a beneficial brew right in your own kitchen. We'll cover the few ingredients you need and the quick process, ensuring you can enjoy your tea without any hassle. Get ready to learn a straightforward way to incorporate Tongkat Ali into your routine. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 teaspoon of high-quality Tongkat Ali root powder. For the liquid base, prepare about 8 to 10 ounces of hot water, ideally just off the boil. If you prefer to enhance the flavor, have some natural sweeteners like honey or a slice of lemon ready. These simple items are all you need to start brewing your tea. Now, let's brew your tea. First, take 1 teaspoon of Tongkat Ali powder and place it into your favorite mug. Next, carefully pour 8 to 10 ounces of hot water directly over the powder. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved and evenly distributed. For optimal extraction, allow your tea to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes before drinking. Once brewed, your Tongkat Ali tea is ready to enjoy. It's best consumed warm, allowing you to fully appreciate its unique properties. Feel free to adjust the amount of powder in future brews to achieve your preferred strength and taste. If you find the natural flavor too strong, a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon can make it more palatable. Store any remaining powder properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.